Using these cleaning hacks is child's play. A balloon and problem solved. Do your clothes smell unpleasant? Use rock salt to absorb moisture and some scented beads and cloves to perfume the closet. Carefully make an incision in the lid, and now your DIY air freshener is ready. We often forget to clean the oven's hood filter, but all it takes is a little warm water to remove all the dirt and grime. Cleaning surfaces using just paper towels is not enough. Crumbs, food residue, and odors that attract insects may be left behind. Coffee and lemon will help you clean more effectively and keep unwelcome guests away. A basket is what you need to keep all your cleaning products neat and tidy. And like this, tearing off bags is made even easier. Handy! Why put a hairnet over a broom? When cleaning thoroughly, debris and hair can get trapped in the bristles. But with the hairnet over the broom, the bristles remain clear. With this ingenious tool, cleaning in hard-to-reach spots will no longer be a challenge. Try it on the radiators. Wow, dusted in a flash! To prevent it from rusting, keep a razor on a cloth. The blade will last for longer. Stubborn dirt? Have you even tried a magic sponge? Removes marks of all types without damaging the surfaces. You can also use it on more delicate items, such as leather armchairs and sofas. To make this pot look like new again, regular detergent is not enough. Add a little vinegar to thoroughly degrease the pot and make it shine again. It's unrecognizable!